How to fix account not found on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can fix the account not found problem in your TikTok account. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you have updated your app. Head over to Play Store and search for TikTok. If you see update sign here instead of open, you have to update your app. Once you do so, head over to the Settings app, scroll below to Apps, and search for TikTok. Here under Storage, clear the cache. Once you do so, go back and tap on Force Stop on your bottom right. Tap on OK. Go ahead and open up your TikTok application and search for the account that you are looking for. Also make sure that you are typing the account username correctly, and if you are friends with the person that you are looking for, then you can ask them to send their profile URL. That way you can directly go to their profile without having to search their name. Just like so, these are the ways that you can fix your problem. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.